Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Showroom. Today, we're taking a fascinating look at how the legendary Hero Splendor is designed and manufactured in a modern factory using advanced machinery and engineering technology. The journey begins in the design department, where engineers and designers use computer-aided design (CAD) software to create every component of the motorcycle. From the frame and fuel tank to the engine and body panels, each part is carefully designed for durability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. Once the design is finalized, production starts with high-quality steel sheets. Powerful automated presses and robotic machines cut and shape the metal into various parts. These components are then welded together by precision robotic welding systems to create the strong and lightweight chassis of the Hero Splendor. Meanwhile, the engine manufacturing process begins in a separate section of the factory. Advanced CNC machines precisely shape engine components such as the cylinder head, crankcase, piston, and transmission gears. Every part is produced with extreme accuracy to ensure smooth performance and long-term reliability. After machining, the engine components move to the assembly line. Skilled technicians and automated equipment assemble the engine piece by piece. Once completed, every engine undergoes strict quality testing to verify power output, efficiency, and performance standards. The motorcycle frame then enters the paint shop. Here, it passes through cleaning, anti-corrosion treatment, and robotic painting systems. Multiple layers of paint are applied before the frame is baked in high-temperature ovens, creating a durable and attractive finish. Workers install the engine, fuel tank, suspension, wheels, braking system, electrical wiring, seat, handlebars, and body panels. Modern conveyor systems move each motorcycle smoothly through the assembly line. After assembly, every Hero Splendor undergoes comprehensive quality inspections. Computerized testing equipment checks braking performance, engine operation, lighting systems, wheel alignment, and overall safety. Test riders also evaluate selected motorcycles to ensure they meet Hero's strict quality standards. Once approved, the motorcycles are cleaned, packaged, and prepared for transportation. Large trucks then deliver them to dealerships across the country, where customers can finally purchase their new Hero Splendor. The result is a motorcycle known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, low maintenance, and trusted performance. Thank you for watching Modern Showroom. If you enjoyed this factory tour of the Hero Splendor manufacturing process, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing motorcycle content. See you in the next video.